What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we're on the EDC side of my Shiro Blades and EDC channel. Give you a quick background on the name of the channel because it's relevant to the situation. Shiro is my 10-month-old Maltese puppy, and he likes to pee around the house still. So we're still trying to get him trained up, and the other dogs aren't really helping. They're not teaching him the right ways, but they're just dogs. Anyways, so yeah, my wife's been using my Olight, and I want it back, so I got her this thing. Um, got it on Amazon for 22 bucks, so super budget friendly. Um, I think it's 49% off. I'll leave you guys a link. That's what brings it down to 22 bucks. So that's an awesome deal. They're saying it's a 2000 milliamp and 2000 lumens. So let's check this out and see if they're telling the truth or not. Anyways, sorry about the voice. I got over the shingles and caught a cold right on top of it. So lucky me, right? Yeah, whatever. Things happen. But got a little thank you card. Flip it over. Little QR code for your warranty. That's pretty cool. USB-C charging cable. Got a million of those, but a million and one is not bad. What else we got? Little pamphlet. Look around the pamphlet. It's got a quick start guide, some functions guide, all kinds of information. Good to go. All right, nice. Now let's take a look at this thing. First of all, it feels actually pretty high quality for the price point. And I guess the name, the Hotligh, they couldn't afford the T. That's where they pass the savings on to you, I guess. But yeah, it actually feels pretty good quality so far. Surprise, surprise. Uh, Pocket clip, nice and tight. Very big pocket clip. You got your USB charging port. Looks like the side floodlight there. I wonder if that, yeah, that's probably where the UV comes from because I'm not seeing any kind of UV light there in the front. So it's probably going to come out of there. They say it's magnetized. So let's get something. Sorry about my voice cracking there. Dang cold. All right. Strong magnet. Holy crap. Very strong. Very good. I'll tell you guys a story about this knife in another video. I was thinking about making one. It's like one of my first knives I owned as an adult. So it's got a pretty cool backstory. We'll get into that another time, but awesome knife. Anyways, I digress. Back to the flashlight, back to the mission at hand. So yeah, what else we got? You got your operation switches there. Not sure what each one does, but we'll start from the top, work our way down. Right. I guess, yeah, that's it for that. Oh, yeah, there's like a little light bar there. So I don't know if that's a charging indicator, battery level, probably does some other cool things, I hope. But yeah, they are claiming 2000 lumens even on there. But let's check it out. I'm going to point away from the camera as to not blind y'all and myself and the camera. Give it a click. All right. Pretty freaking bright so far. Let's do some clicks. All right. So it seems like it's got 3 modes of cycle through, off, medium, I guess, and super bright. And then it is super bright. All right, let's do a hold down, see what happens. Okay. Okay, so I just held it down, went down to, I think, the lowest level. Give it a couple of little blinks to show you're there. Let's hold it again. Holy dang, that is freaking bright. Very, very happy so far. Wow. And click it off. That is freaking bright. So yeah, I guess no false advertising so far. I don't know how to count lumens, but that's pretty luminific there. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down toward the table and we're gonna check this out. Let's give it one click. Okay, very bright also. Wow, very, very bright. And there's your UV, like I was saying. Got a nice little UV. All right, let's cycle through, see if it does the same thing. Yeah, holding down, cycles down to the lowest. Hold down again. Wow. Dude, that is freaking bright. I hope it's picking up right on the camera. Hope the video ain't getting messed up, but dude, that's bright. Let me just see if I got anything that's UV reactive. All right, yeah, I got the Velvet Snake from Kubi here. It's got that 80s carbon, camel carbon, which I love. And all right, let's take a look. Let's turn this light off real quick. Where's my switch? There we go. And oh yeah. Yep, legit UV. It's definitely reacting. Isn't that cool? I love that. I'm a big nerd, so yeah, that makes me happy. But yeah, I was definitely an 80s kid, so this reminds me of like skating rinks when I was a kid. Anyways, let's get this light back on. Right. So let's initial thoughts on this thing. If you need a light and you don't want to spend a bunch of money, grab one of these. Like I said, I'll leave you guys a link. This thing is pretty nice for 23 bucks. I think yeah, 22, 23 bucks. Yeah, you can't go wrong. Even if this thing conks out on me in a couple months, I mean, it's definitely worth it. Um, for sure, for sure. Yeah, we're gonna cut we're gonna cut it short. It's a flashlight, so it is what it is. Yeah, so I'm impressed. Thank you guys for watching the video. As always, thanks to all the veterans and active duty folks out there in the world. Love you guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Hopefully a knife. All right, bye.